Hello all, welcome to this video where we will guide you to register as an authorized signatory for KYC enrollment. This video will also help you enroll employees as well as authorized signatories. Please go to eMudhra's eSign website and click on Enroll as Organization. On clicking Enroll as Organization, you'll be navigated to this page. The enroller needs to provide organization information, authorized signatory information, and document attachments. Please fill in the organizational legal name, organizational PAN, GSTN, CIN number, and address of the organizational details. Upon completion, click on Next. The next step is to provide the authorized signatory information. Please provide full name, employee ID, mobile number, email ID, gender, date of birth, and signatory PAN number. In the Document Attachment tab, upload the photo of the authorized signatory along with organizational ID proof, organization authorization letter, BAN statement, and incorporation certificate. Click on Proceed to verify. Now you will be navigated to a page where you can choose the desired username and PIN. Click on Get OTP for mobile and email OTP. Authorized signatory will receive OTP on the registered mobile number and registered email. Provide the email and mobile OTP and tick the consent checkbox. Click on Submit for verification. You'll now be navigated to the video recording page. The video recording is used for verification process. To do so, click on Continue to video recording. Once you click on Continue to video recording, a new page will open. Read the displayed instructions carefully before clicking on Continue. Click on Start Recording to start the recording and give access to the webcam and microphone. This will ensure that the video is recorded seamlessly. Make sure you have all the documents as per the instructions. The page will then display the questions for verification on the screen. The authorized signatory needs to answer the questions. Once the recording is completed, they can preview the video. Click on Submit Recording. The video will now display video recording is successfully submitted, and an email would be sent to the authorized signatory regarding the successful video recording completion. These details and the video would be sent to eMudhra for verification. Once it is completed, the team will get back to the authorized signatory with the login link. This process will take about 15 to 20 minutes. The authorized signatory can log into the page and start enrolling other authorized signatories and employees. Thank you for watching this video.